Good. Let's go, Carousel. Welcome to Wilmington.
Hi.
Hello, good morning. We're going to Wilmington for a long weekend. So today is Sunday. So tomorrow is Memorial Day here in the US. So that's why we're going to the beach. Samahan niyo po kami.
How long is the drive?
2 hours.
It's hot. Are you tired? Downtown. Wilmington na ni babe. Goodbye na di building. My church, nice. That's our beshi.
Go past this light. Then at the next one, turn right.
There's the City Hall, and there's the church.
At the light, turn right onto Market Street.
One of North Carolina's three singing the Declaration of Independence home. Oh, okay. Ito sa mga singer. Downtown.
At the next stop sign, make a U-turn.
Pwede na lagi mga Martel. Historic downtown. Welcome to Wilmington. Historic downtown. Oh my gosh, the parking. Oh my gosh, babe. Front. Tama man, back na. Front.
So nandito na kami sa Wilmington. And we drove like 2 hours to get here. So kami ay bibili na ng ticket for the cruise. So we will explore this area at magsa-sightseeing. Then probably after our cruise, so mag-lunch na kami. We will have the same. Yeah. So as of now, my wife is buying some ice cream for the both of us. So mag-ice cream tayo sa mainit na panahon. So dito sila bibili ng ice cream. So you got different options: soft serve, shaved ice, sundaes. So pili ka lang kung ano gusto mo. So 1 o'clock pa yung cruise. And then 12:30 pa lang ngayon. So 30 minutes pa yung hihintayin namin. Napakainit. Parang Pinas. Grabe. Kami ay magku-cruise na. Hey, Christina, where's my ticket? Oh, thank you so much. Good. Let's go, Carousel. Nakakayaman. Yan yung mayaman. Sabi niya, look at this. What do you see? What's that?
Where's the bridge?
Where's the bridge daw?
The bridge.
Oh, the bridge is over there. And that's the battleship. Right.
Isang oras to?
Yes. So, bumili kami
Isang
ng
oras to may hilo.
chocolate shake. Na $7.
Oo, yung galing ako Cebu.
And then,
Pagkain pa. Ayun, lubog.
ice cream. Bumili kami ng ice cream na to $5.
Yun ako i-convert.
Huwag nyo na i-convert. So, enjoy natin yung cruise for an hour. So, later, pumunta kami sa taas ng deck para makita yung labas. Dito muna kami sa loob para makapagpa-aircon. Masyadong mainit sa labas. Ito yung mga turista. Binayaran mo to eh. Oo, ano ka ba?
Isa lang sila dito, please. Isa lang dito.
Ang init kasi doon. Nag-worry yung mayaman naming friend. Bumili ka na doon ng ano, yung gusto mong kakainin. Sky.
Today
Look
we're
at
going to
that,
go
baka
to
na to.
Peters Point, give you a historical narration of downtown Wilmington. We'll go down to the port of Wilmington, maybe see a big ship moving around, and then we'll have you back here in 1 hour. My name is Captain Parker. Also, we have Captain Mark.
Magkano ba popcorn?
Right now. And Jeff is the nice lady who took your ticket. If y'all need anything, please don't hesitate to ask. Give us a couple minutes to get underway, and I'll be talking.
Magkano,
to you shortly.
Jazz?
All crew, please prepare for departure.
Popcorn kayo.
Dalawa, 30. Ano yun? Alam ko sa 30. Pumunta kami ng Indonesia. Boat yung sinasakyan namin. Fair.
Ships would pull right alongside this building. They would roll supplies
May
right
pahistory
onto
yung
the
cruise.
deck of the ship to be delivered all up down the river. Now, if you lived on the river those days, you could go down to riverbank, flag down one of these ships, give them your order.
Kailangan namin ng
When they got
translator
back to
lang.
town, they would drop it right off. So like modern day DoorDash,
Hindi ka pa nga lagi sa
what,
pwede.
150 years ago. Today, the Brooks Building, the top 2 floors are condominiums, and downstairs you have a gelato shop and clothing boutiques.
Baka may pa-quiz mamaya.
This next building coming up, the big stone one, this is the former location of the Customs House in the 1800s, where ships would pull into downtown Wilmington. They would claim their customs, pay their taxes and tariffs, and go on about their business. They outgrew that building and began construction of this one in 1916. If anyone remembers the TV show Matlock, you might recognize the federal building because they used the courtroom in there to film that show. Another TV show filmed here a little more recently was One Tree Hill. Now, if you're not familiar with it, Wilmington is actually known as the Hollywood of the East Coast, whereas some people call us Willywood.
Really?
There's several production studios here in town, and they continue to film many TV shows and movies all around Wilmington. They were actually just filming one on Front Street this week. It's hundreds of years old, but known as the most peaceful.
Papasikatin natin yung Wilmington niya sa vlog ko.
Parang dami subscribe.
May 1 million subscribers ako.
And these shows, they go on 3 miles.
Saan na si Darlene doon?
Is at sea.
How about yung nagbebenta ng ice cream? Doon din ba? Nag-graduate?
That right side is the North East Cape Fear. In the left side going under this bridge is the main port of the Cape Fear River.
Nandyan na yung bridge.
Going about 6 miles an hour. And roughly
Bridge time.
North Carolina. Now this is all because the Cape Fear River is the largest state.
Mga battleship na Sky.
It's also the only river that is exclusive to North Carolina boundary. It's the only river that communicates directly with the Atlantic Ocean. Now people also come on the cruise and they go this is from the abundance of cypress trees that we have up there. And these cypress trees with leaves fall into the water, which was 36 feet, which is the same depth the battleship needs to float. So we waited for a lunar moon high tide. We've had an influx of shipping traffic since that Baltimore accident, and we absolutely have. Like I said, the river is 42 feet, so we're known as a deep draft port, so we can get these 1,000+ footers in here. So from here, it's about 23 miles down to the mouth of the river. So when this ship came in this morning, he still had about 3 to 4 hours just to get from the ocean up here. But this is where we turn around.
Pagi nakapag-blinag. So gaginuragok gali ko sa microphone. Ah, bit. At punta na tayo sa sa tulay kung saan natin makikita ang mga birds. Birds can fly. Welcome to Wilmington! So, nagpo-pause kami dito. So, enjoy niyo yung view. Welcome to and our river cruise lang. Cruise, thank you. As you too. And our cruise has ended after an hour. So nakatulog ako ng 30 minutes. Thank you. Have a good one.
Bye, guys.
So next na ay kakain na kami. Finally, it's lunchtime. Yes, nandito na kami sa something fishy ba to? Madami kasing kumakain doon sa pinuntahan namin kanina. So dito na lang kami sa something fishy kumain. Kakain pa lang. So order na kami. Corn lang. Hindi mo gusto French fries? Ay, corn niya ako. Pakita namin mamaya yung order namin na mayroong fried flounder, fried shrimp, fried oysters, fried scallops, fried boiled clam strips, and devil crab. Mga pa-devil crab kasi. Look at this. It's so dami. Wow. Time to eat. Ano yan? Kawa.
Extra plates.
Hindi ba tayo ng sauce? Do you have like tartar sauce?
Tartar sauce and cocktail sauce, please.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Sarap. Oh my God, bururot. Kinakikaroon. Namin karo. Nandito na kami sa hotel, sa Comfort in University. So mag-check-in na kami before pumunta ng saan nga kami pupunta? Ng beach. Check-in ang mga beshi. Kapag-check-in na din. Let's find 3, 2, 7. There. Open it. Welcome to our room. Living area. Then dito is the toilet. Ang laki. Malaking toilet. Yan. Malinis naman. Not bad for 175. And this is the bed. Nasa yung sinasabi niyang pull-up bed, pull-out. Ano nasa labas siguro? 404 na. 404 na kami nakapag check-in. Yan. The bed. Yan. Medyo ano na siya, old, but importante is malinis. Yan yung parking area. Daran! Tingnan yung ano nilakaran namin. Samahan niyo po kami dito sa Wilmington, kung saan makikita niyo ang isa sa pinakamagandang beach dito sa North Carolina.